Matt Jenness, the gaffer, you've got the auspicious honour of becoming MTDCNC's new team manager. What are you bringing to the table?
Well, I've got about 20 years' experience of playing football at Sunday League level and in the UCL League for a couple of years. I've also recently managed the over 35s team in the UCL division as well. So I bring a lot of experience, guile, know-how and technical nous.
Looking back at the team's progress so far, have you been able to identify any strengths or weaknesses?
Well, strength-wise, there's definitely some talent there, but the main problem and the main weakness, I believe, is fitness. And with that in mind, I'm going to have them all on strict diet plans starting immediately. These are the two main culprits, and yeah, definitely they need to get on this as soon as possible.
And coming back to previous performance, they're going through managers like toilet paper. What do you think of the previous managers installed in the position?
Well, it looks like there's not been a lot of tactics told to the players before the game. There's too much running around like headless chickens, I believe. So the first thing I'm going to install in them is tactics, positional sense, knowing where they've got to be, and a style of football. We're going to play a high pressing game. We're going to try and get the ball back as quickly as possible, and that's going to require, like I say, the fitness levels being much higher.
Recently, there's been a couple of injuries arising. Gio, most recently in training, twisted his ankle. Colin has damaged his leg. Paul, unfortunately, suffering from gigantism of the gut. What's your backup if these men aren't fit to play?
Well, I'm going to have my own physio actually perform on them and actually sort of have a look at how serious these injuries are. Obviously, Colin the Cat is a player that I really require, so I'm going to try and get him fit if possible. Regarding Gio, yeah, he's one of the fitter ones, so we're definitely going to need him, and we're going to have to get him fit.
You're known in the press for both your temperament and your dress sense. Is there anything else that you're going to be banning the team from engaging in? Drinking, women?
Well, all of the above. The drinking ban starts immediately. There will be no more alcohol allowed until after the game. So that's 2 weeks. I know that's going to be particularly hard for Mr. Jones, but he will just have to. Also, the wives and girlfriends are not going to be allowed on site.
Finally, why have you done this? There must have been a lot of money involved.
A lot of money, yes, a lot of money involved. There's a large signing on bonus and a very large bonus if we are victorious. So I'm going to do my damned hardest to make sure we play well on the day and come out the victors. And that's the advantages of Micron Workholding. Right, ladies and gentlemen, my name's Matt. I'm your new gaffer. You will now do as I tell you. Will, hit the next slide, please. Alcohol.
Yes, please, come on.
No more alcohol until after the game. That goes for you.
Hold on a minute.
I'll take that home myself. Next slide, please. Junk food.
Yes, please.
I'm afraid not, guys. That's another no-no, big no-no.
Does Joe know
No more
that?
junk food. It's all about fitness, and that requires you to eat the diets I gave you this morning. I expect you to stick to them.
He's already eaten it.
Next one. Girlfriends
Yes, please.
and boyfriends. I'm afraid no more until after the game. They're a distraction that you can ill afford. I need focus on the game. Goals? Yes. Now, listen everyone, if you do exactly as I tell you, exactly from now until after the game, we're going to win this game. What are we going to do?
Win! Bring back Paul.
I think he's going to bring great things to the team. I'm just hoping that my performance on the day can be just as good as my performance with the slideshows today. Hopefully I can relate that, and yeah, I'll get on along well with Matt, the new manager. It's going to be a tough match, but I think MTD are going to pull it out of the bag, and yeah, I think we're really going to sort of walk all over Fanuc this time.
Yeah, I'm really pumped for this new game ahead. I think we're going to absolutely smash it out of the park. You know, hopefully me in defence, we should have a fairly big brick wall there, so really quite pumped.
We're literally going to smash it. We've got this. We're owning it. We're taking it home, everyone. This is ours. This is our time to shine. We've got it. I can't wait. Literally, like, this is the end for us. What, Colin, what are you doing? No, we're going to take it. Get the